Okay, for the entertaining videos, it can be something important to you, and something that's very important to me is the cute little interactions between my cat and my dog. So enjoy that.
Who is this? I have a vision of a world without Batman. The mob. I can't believe they locked me up for driving on a sidewalk. Come on, Eddie, get in. It was just a couple of miles. I'll drive.
That again.
Yeah, we know. It's happened like 20 times already.
Yeah, well, what do you expect? It's rural internet. You guys get it. You're from Queens.
Would you like to try some?
Yeah, sure.
Well, the fact is you can't.
Howard, Bernadette, you're both scientists. Help me out here.
What do you think? Want to